Okay, so the truck that's backing out that you guys are all about to see is first floor neighbor. I cannot decide whether he wants to drive into the driveway or if he wants to back in. But also he's in two-wheel drive trying to back through that snowbank. You can barely see it, but right here is a rut that he was trying to back through. Or I should say that he made with his tires trying to back through that snowbank. Like, dude, you got four-wheel drive for a reason. Maybe he's not backing up. I can hear him. Sounds like he's having a hell of a time. Oh wait, here he comes. Here he comes. Wait for it. There he is. I mean, look at this. Look at this truck. It's a 2500 HD, guys. Alright? The truck is perfect. It's the fucking operator that don't know what the hell he's doing. Put your truck in four-wheel drive, retard. Look at this. See again. Oh. See, he could have just rammed right through that snowbank and just... Alright. Now we're going to make a 5-point turn. And we're going to put my truck right back into the same rut that I was already in. Watch, guys. Right here, watch. Follow this back tire right into it. Here it goes. Here it goes. Two-wheel drive. And he's spinning. Oh, let me pull it forward. Oh, let me back in again. Oh. And I'm still spinning. And oh my God. Oh Jesus. This guy, I swear, must have gotten his fucking license from out of a Cracker Jack box. Fucking people, dude. It's only snow. Put it in four-wheel drive and get through it. It's that simple.